use that to build something. Use that to build your goal for the day. Use that to communicate. Use that to have early engagement with the people around you, positive engagement, instead of you destroying yourself. Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Didi Sunga from My James Padeng. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time tayo panood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Didi Sunga. And sa lahat ng gusto magpa-coach kay Doc, or if you want to start, advertise, or improve your business, just PM me sa personal FB ko, nandiyan lang po sa paligid. And if you want to join my team, I'm here Rockstar, and as I'm here Rockstar, just message me, okay? And of course, we're looking for the first batch ng ating business partners, the Rockstar Beauty Corporation. We will be launching Reveal Beauty and Cosmetics. So if you want to become a business owner, beauty center owner, stockist, or city or provincial distributor, yan, welcome po kayo. Join us sa ating webinars. I think twice a week. PM ka na lang for the schedule, okay? Alright, so ano nga ba pwede natin gawin para magtagumpay na tayo sa buhay? Alam nyo, yung tagumpay sa buhay, masyadong general yan. Tsaka kung paano talaga siya gustong gawin, di ba? So, for the sake of our discussion, let me define success, alright? Let me define tagumpay. For me, ang tagumpay, hindi lang yung nagtagumpay ka sa negosyo. Hindi lang nagkabahay ka, hindi lang, alam mo yun, hindi lang nagkaroon ka ng sasakyan. So, yung tagumpay, yung buhay na, una-una, maayos sa paningin ni Lord. Yung maayos, yung ginagawa mo yung will ni God, you're doing your ministry, then meron kang financial freedom, then you have your family, and yung career na masaya ka. Di ba? Masyado idealistic yan, Doc. Masyado. Pero at least, a part of it, di ba? 2 or 3 of that, nagtatagumpay tayo, maayos tayo. For me, that's success. Di ba? You can define your own success. So, pwede po kayong mag-define sa baba, mag-comment kayo, Doc, ito yung success para sa akin. Okay lang po yan. Depende sa kung paano natin gusto tingnan ng success. Pero, again, let me reiterate, para sa pag-usap natin, yun ang ibig sabihin ng success. Alright? So, kung tingin mo ngayon ikaw ay 30 na, 40, 50, or nearing to 60, hindi ka pa nagtatagumpay. Hindi mo pa siya, hindi mo pa nakakonquer yung mga dapat mong i-conquer. Ganun kasi, di ba? Masasabi kasi natin ang buhay na parang hindi pa ako success, Doc. Kasi alam mo, you were not able to conquer the things na dapat mo nang mapagtagumpayan. Di ba? Hindi ka naka-move on. Hindi ka nagpakita, hindi ka nakibattle, maybe natalo ka, and wala, nasadlak ka na doon. So yun yung opposite ng tagumpay. Okay? So pag-usapan natin ngayon, para makabot tayo sa success, mga kapatid. Alright? So, number 1. Okay? Number 1, ito. Make sure in silent. Okay? Ito ang title natin. What are the things na ginagawa mo o dapat mong gawin in silent? Alright? Para kang magtagumpay. Okay? So, do this in silent. Tapos, publicly, makita nila, tagumpay. Diba? May nakita nga ako sa TikTok kanina, sabi niya, do hard things in silent, then let your success speaks for it. Right? It speaks for you, di ba? Makita yung nagkaroon ko ng bahay, nagkaroon ko ng sasakyan. So, ayan mo yung mangusap. But you're doing something in silent. So, silently, you have to build something silently. Do not destroy something. Alam mo yun kasi yung mahirap na kalaban natin eh. In silent, we supposed to do or to build something good, build something very significant, build something relevant, build something better in silent than breaking ourselves in silent. So, for example, nag-stay tayo ng hanggang 12 midnight. Yung mula 8 to 12 midnight, we supposed to build something eh. Kaya lang yung 8 to 12 midnight na yun, we are doing something that will break our future. Salip na yung silently you're using that to study, silently you're using that to plan, silently you're doing that to strategize, hindi natin siya ginagamit. Diba? Ginagamit siya natin on breaking ourselves. Diba? Breaking your potentials, breaking the opportunity. Alright? So, build something in silent. Alright? In the morning, pagising natin, let's do something yung mula 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. that you destroying yourself. Every Saturday, whole day natin, use that to build something, to build a team, to build a product, to build something, rather than you using your Saturday to destroy yourself, to destroy you, to destroy your life, right? So build something in silent, in any way you can, alright? Kahit gaano ka konti yung time na meron ka, use that to build yourself, okay? Build something. Basta you just build. Paano build up? Alam mo yung something na, alam mo unti-unti, ginagawa mo yung pundasyon, pero pag after few days, after few years, wow, eto na nagawa ko, di ba? Slowly, parang ka nag-drawing. Parang ka drawing mo yung isang bagay. Unti-unti, na-drawing ko na yung katawan, na-drawing ko na yung kamay, paa. So, paglabas nito, magugulat kayo. Something like that, okay? Next po, okay. So, second. Ito yung silently do this. Ito kanina, yung first, yung napanood ko to kanina, similar sa ALAX. Ganda kasi na channel na yun. Sabi po doon, you have to, about kings po ang topic nila eh. You have to rule yourself first, right? So, the second point here is rule yourself first, right? Silently, aralin mo that you have to rule yourself before you rule other people, before you manage a big business, before you manage a career, high-paying career, before you manage a high-paying skill, before you manage 100 employees, make sure you're able to manage yourself first. In silent, you have to master that. Your emotions, your thoughts, dapat ikaw yung sarili mo na yan, yung trillions of cells na meron ka, yan, lahat na yan, na-manage mo, nakokontrol mo, yung naiisip mo, yung actions mo, yung lumalabas sa sarili mo, how you communicate, your gestures, everything, be able to manage yourself, be able to rule yourself in silent. In silent, so, paano yun, Doc? In silent, you have to have reflection. I don't know kung lahat tayo nagagawa natin to. Yung we reflect at the end of the day na sabihin natin, ano ba yung nagawa kong mali? Ano ba naisip kong mali? Ano bang na-message ko mali? Ano ba yung mga mali kong nagawa? So, you have a reflection. I know it's not a perfect life. Minsan, naisip natin, ito na, Doc, mali na eh. Okay na, gusto kong magbago. Pero bukas, nagagawa mo ulit. Ano alam mo dapat mong gawin? Ulitin mo ulit bukas. Ulitin mo ulit mag-reflect. Pilitin mo ulit na maging maayos. Rule yourself. Okay, rule yourself first. Alam nyo, kaya minsan hindi tayo napagkakatiwalaan ni Lord ng 100 employees eh. Ng 1,000 employees. Kasi ikaw alone cannot tame yourself. Alone, you cannot manage your emotion. Alone, you cannot manage yourself. So, paano ka mag-manage na 100 people? Paano ka mag-rule sa 1,000 people? Right? Okay, so next po, ito. Next, in silent, build your domain. In silent, start building your domain. So, kanina I checked the synonym of domain. It's just something like your territory, your place. So, you build your place, you build your domain. Yung bang ikaw yung nasusunod, that's your territory. So, I don't know what's that. Maybe in your own department, ikaw po talaga yung may domain yan, di ba? Maybe in that area, domain mo yan, di ba? In your place. So, for example, pag sinabing event organizer, that's your domain. Ano hanapin? Parang dito, pag sinabi namin MC, host, yan, you're looking for Sir Jonathan Baldeo, di ba? Kasi domain niya yan eh, territory niya yan. Diba? Parang nung nasa academe pa ako, pag sinabing, ito yung event natin. Alam na namin si Sir, si Ma'am, kasi domain niya to, territory niya, diba? And even in your family, diba, pag sinabing mag-organize kayo ng occasion sa family, sino mas maayos? Ikaw yung naisip, diba? Para sa amin, sa bahay namin, when it comes to business, if you want to make sure na magtatagumpay yung isang bagay, so hanapin namin, Alec decide. Domain niya yun eh. Territory niya yun. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, you build your domain. Let people know that that's your domain. Let people know that that's your territory. Let the people in your social media platforms. Let the people in your community knows that that's your domain. Let your office mates know na yan ang domain mo, yan ang territory mo. So you start building on that. So kung alam mo ng 40 mo na yan, mas improve mo pa. Baga, pakitang gilas ka na dyan, di ba? Yan na di ba? Pakitang gilas ka na. Nung na-discover ko ako na maging speaker, mag-speak ako. So pag Cisco, pag may speak talagang domain na ni Doc yan di ba? Si Doc na yan di ba? So lalo naman po akong nagpapakitang gilas, di ba? So, ganun lang. So, you build your domain, build your territory, and let it be known to the people around you, right? Next po. Ito. So, silently you're doing this, or ito yung mga signs na talagang you will become successful, right? So, ito. You are moving. Alam mo yung hindi ka ito, iba-vlog ko siya ng iwalay, pero discuss na ng konti. Hindi ka nag-slow down. Hindi ka nag-slow down. So when you slow down, nag-slow down ka, parang you're giving up na rin narinig ko Sir Jowen, sa LC namin. Sabi niya, when you slow down, parang nag-give up ka na So huwag tayong mag-slow down. Di ba, minsan napapansin natin, maraming tao, kakilala natin, kaibigan natin, nung una siyang, meron siyang ginawa, o nung una siyang pasok sa work, o nung una mo siyang empleyado, di ba, ng araw niya, talagang pakitang bilas, di ba? So, pag wala na di ba? Nag-slow down Nag-slow down tayo sa goal natin. Kaya hindi tayo nagtatagumpay, nag-slow down tayo sa skill natin, sa ginagawa natin. Dati maaga ka na nagigising. Dati 10 na yung kausap mo. Ngayon, nag-5 ka na lang, nag-3. Hanggang eventually, wala ka na kausap, di ba? Wala ka na no contacts. Dati, dami mo na resellers. Di ba? 100 na resellers mo. Nag-slow down ka na ngayon, 70, 50. Wala lang, di ba? Dati, dami mo kausap sa phone, dami mo tinatawagan because you have transactions. Pero ngayon, unti-unti, nag-slow down ka. Intentionally, ginawa mo, mag-slow down na ako. So, do not slow down. Kasi, when you slow down, binababa mo yung momentum, tapos binababa mo the energy level. And kasunod yan, output. Bumababa din ang output natin. Alright? Okay? And last, alright? So, silently, pag ginagawa mo ito, magtatagumpay ka na. When you start writing, you just write. Write the lessons that you are hearing from, kung sino man nakausap mo, saan ka man umattend, or your aspirations, your goals, sinusulat mo na. Like ka na may notebook, may pen, like ka na or kung high-tech ka, pero ka lang, you're using your gadgets para magsulat, magano lang yung mga goals. When you start writing kasi, that means you are serious. Totoo po yun What's not written, it's not, wala siya, hindi siya kabilang. But when you start writing something, when you start writing what's on your heart, what's on your mind, so, yun. You are serious about it. Alam niyo, parang ganito lang po, pag nagsusulat ako ng content, pag hawak ko na yung pen ko, I'm serious about it. Okay, I'm writing. So, you write something. Dapat, dahil ka na may notebook, may mo. Pag nagsimula ka na magsulat, yun na yun. One time, meron po akong kinotes. Nurse po siya sa Saudi. Alam niyo kung anong ginawa niya pagdating sa Saudi. May siya mga whiteboard. 3 na ang whiteboard niya, tapos corkboard, tapos mga post-it na paper, tapos marami siyang notebook. Sulat niya lahat, everything na naisip niya. Pinakita niya sa akin sabi niya, gawa ito. At nakakatulong naman yun, natutupad yung mga pangarap niya. So you have to write something. Okay? So, delivers, yan yung mga tips. So, challenge ko sa iyo ngayon, Doc, wala akong ginagawa miski isa dyan. Or, Doc, meron akong isang ginagawa. Tignan natin. Build something or do something inside out. Right? Para doon, at in 3 years, meron na mangyari sa buhay natin. Para sa akin, just give yourself 3 years. Mababago yung buhay mo. If you are really serious about it, if you are really serious about being successful, improving yourself, changing your life, you just need 3 years, right? When I started changing everything in my life, ang transition point ko po, ang transition period ko is 3 years, right? Kaya mo yan, deliver. So, kahit all over the Pilipinas. Okay? Ingat, and let's go.